All right, everybody, we are here at San Diego International Airport here in San Diego, California. We're here at gates 11 to 18. And we have an elevator over here. This is here at Terminal 2. Terminal 2 at the San Diego International Airport. There's another elevator, but it's at the other part of the terminal. Can't get to it unless you're going to the gates over there. It's all separate. There's the TSA point over there. Yeah, this elevator is past the TSA, so you have to go through TSA first. You going down? Come on in. You're welcome. Have a good one. Door close works. There's the phone. Only ding twice. And guess what? These are the normal. These are not California code compliant. These are typical Innovation Universal fixtures, but that might be based on how Montgomery does their select fixtures. Nice elevator. All right, that'll be it.